This video demonstrates how to enter a group in the Best Idea platform. It should be clarified that only people who are registered on the platform can join a group by entering their email address. Start by entering the name of the group, for example, Young Customers. You then need to designate the administrators, those who will be able to make changes to the group. You can do so either by entering the email address of one or more users, one at a time, or by uploading an Excel file, CSV format. You can use the available template by clicking here. In a similar way, you fill the second field, the list of master members. Master members are those members of a group whose idea becomes viewable and votable by all members of the group once they publish it. For example, the employees of the company's commercial office, who carry out a market survey, should be included among the master members. You follow the same process with the third field, which is the list of members for confidential ideas, those that, if they publish an idea, it becomes viewable and votable only by all the master members of the group. For example, this might be an appropriate setting for customers, if you want to treat their contribution as confidential so that group members that are employees, included in the master members list, will be able to view it but other customers will not. Note that this confidentiality of a particular idea can be lifted by any master member of the group who can choose to make it visible to all the members of the group, probably because it is judged to be of interest to all customers. As part of this process, an email will be sent to the author asking for permission to make it visible to the members for confidential ideas, and therefore to all other customers. In this way, it is avoided that, if a customer were to publish an opinion that is too negative, everyone can see it and possibly vote for it. Instead, with this protection, master members, normally only employees of the company, can see the negative comment, giving them a chance to analyze it and perhaps remedy the problem, without all customers being made aware of it. You can also add, in one go, the administrators, the master members, and the members for confidential ideas that you had already included in a team, which is nothing more than a group already created, maintaining the same division between the administrators, master members, and members for confidential ideas they have within the team. To do this, enter the first of these teams entering the group, using the drop-down menu, and, if you need to add more, you can click on Add Team. You can then save it as a draft or publish it directly. To find a group after you have published it, you go to View, Groups, and find the list of groups you belong to, and, if you are one of the administrator, you can modify it. Now search for the one you just published, and you see that it has uploaded the team members as you have chosen, divided into administrators, master members and members for confidential ideas. You can also export the three lists in Excel CSV files by clicking these buttons to check if the emails entered are correct and if they are all there. Instead, you can edit the list by clicking this button.